Hello everyone, my name is Ali Akbar. Today I am starting a new lecture series on mathematics, more specifically, determinants part of mathematics. So let's get started. Now, first thing first, let us discuss what is determinant. In linear algebra, the determinant is a scalar value that can be computed from the elements of a square matrix. The determinant of any matrix is denoted, let's say for matrix A, is denoted by determinant A, or it can also be written as determinant of A, or you can also write it in the form of mod A. This is also known as the determinant of matrix A. The expression A, B, C, and D. This expression is called a 2 by 2 determinants, and its value is given by AD minus BC, meaning you have to cross multiply A with D, and you have to cross multiply B with C and subtract them both to get the value for this 2 by 2 determinants. Thus, I can say that determinant A, B, C, D is basically another symbolic way to present a real number AD minus BC. In this determinant, let's say take an example of determinant A, which is a determinant of A, B, C, and D. In this expression, A, B, C, and D are basically what? Are basically real numbers. And this is called what? A second order determinant. Thus, any determinant which is of a form A, B, C, and D is known as a second order determinant. Now, in this determinant, we have earlier said that A, B, C, and D are what? They all are real numbers, right? This real number are also known as entries or elements of the determinants. Okay, so for determinant A, B, C, D, what are the elements of determinants? A, basically A, B, C, and D, and they all are real number. Okay, in this determinant A, B, C, D, A, B is the first row, C, D is the second row, A, C is what? Is our first column of determinant A, B, C, D, and B, C is what? B, D is what? Is our second column. Also, in this second order determinant, for example, A, B, C, and D, this A and D is considered as principal diagonal, whereas this B and C is considered as what? Yeah, secondary diagonal. Also, the value for this A, B, C, D is given by which formula? You cross multiply this AD, subtract it with this cross multiplication, that is BC. Thus, expression AD minus BC is called what? Value of the given determinant. So in order to write determinant A, B, C, D, we can write it as what? AD minus BC. Where AD you can also term it as what? The product of the elements of what? Product of the elements of principal diagonal. Right? What is the principal diagonal? A and D. So I can write it as AD is the product of element of principal diagonal minus the product of the element of secondary diagonal. What is our secondary diagonal? What are the elements for the secondary diagonal? There is B and C. Thus, this is same as this thing. So a determinant is basically given by this formula, which is the product of elements of principal diagonal minus the product of the element of the secondary diagonal. So for instance, let us take a determinant. Let us say 1, 5, 4 and 6. Now, if your professor asks you to find out what is the value for this determinant, then how you do it? The value of determinant is basically the product of the principal diagonal, which is what? 1 times 6 minus the product of the elements of the secondary diagonal. What are the elements of the secondary diagonal? Yeah, 5 and 4. So the product of the value of this determinant will be what? 6 minus 20, which will be equal to 14. Let us try with another example. Let us take x plus 1, x, x, and x minus 1. Now, the first condition over here is, let us assume that x is a real number in order to solve a second order determinant. Now, how you do it? You take the product of the element of the principal diagonal, which is x plus 1 times x minus 1, minus of the product of the elements of the secondary diagonal, which is x and x. So you get what? This times this is x square, this time this is minus x, the 1 times x is plus x, and 1 times 1 is minus 1, because 1 plus times plus and minus, the product of plus and minus is minus. Negative of what is the x times x? Yeah, x square. So what will be the value? This goes out, this goes out. So the value for this determinant x plus 1, x, x, x minus 1 is equal to negative of 1. I hope you all understood what is a determinant, what is a second order determinant, and how to solve the second order determinants. That's all for today's class. In next lecture, I will explain you how about the third order determinants and how to solve any third order determinant. Thank you very much. If you liked my lecture, then please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below.